If your browser is running slow or websites aren't loading the way they should, then don't worry, the fix is quick and easy. In this video, I'll show you how to clear your cache and speed up your browser in just a few minutes. Cache refers to the temporary files that your browser stores. These are things like images and scripts to make websites load faster. But over time, that cache can get cluttered or outdated, slowing everything down. Clearing it gives your browser a fresh start. Let's start with Google Chrome. If you go to the top right corner of your browser and click on the three dots and scroll down, you will see that there's the option to delete browsing data, and it also has a keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. I'm just going to click on that, and now it gives me the option to select the time period to clear that. So I'm just going to click on More and select All Time. And now you'll notice that these four are checked, and only one of them is the cache. So if you would like to maintain your browsing history, you can uncheck this. Cookies and other site data, this will preserve any existing logins to the websites that you go to. So I will uncheck that. And then I will only keep the cached images and files. Then hit delete from this device, and that's it. Similarly, on Microsoft Edge, all you have to do is again go to the top right, click on the three dots, and you will see that same option with the same keyboard shortcut. So you just click that, and again it asks you for a time range. I will select all time. Now the key difference here is that you'll notice that there is an option for passwords as well. So if you would like to preserve the passwords you have saved, just make sure that this is unchecked. So once again, I will only select the cached images and files, and then I'm going to click on the Clear Now button. And that's all. If you use Firefox, you also go to the top right corner and you go to the settings. And under privacy and security, if you scroll down a little bit, you will see cookies and site data. If you click on the clear data option, again, you'll be presented with a time frame. I will select everything, and I want to only remove the cache files. Now again, click on clear, and you're done. As you saw, each browser has a slightly different menu, but the process is the same. Find the privacy settings, and then clear the cached files. Clearing the cache helps, but if you want the best performance, make sure that your browser is always up to date and limit any extensions or unnecessary tabs that you have open. And that's it. Clearing your cache is one of the easiest ways to speed up your browser. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and easy to digest tutorials. Thanks for watching.